Look here, let me tell you something. If you are serious about making your money work for you and you're all about wealth building and being on your financial journey, then you have to make sure that you tune into Money Classroom. Money Classroom is my bi-weekly podcast where I bring in a ton of experts and we teach you how to make your money work for you so you can build wealth. No matter your age or stage or wage, come to Money Classroom. Every 2 weeks, we are talking with the experts and I'm teaching you different strategies how to make your money work for you. There is no reason that you can't be wealthy. I believe wealth is possible for everybody. And my passion is to show you exactly how to build wealth. You have to be inside the room, however. You have to be in the Money Classroom. That is how you're gonna learn exactly the specific steps you need to take to make your money work for you. No, the knowledge is out there. You have to do your part and go and get it. Money Classroom is on the Profit Jumpstarter YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and also set up your notifications so you never, ever, ever miss Money Classroom. You have to be there. You have to be in the room. Bring your money book and come into the Money Classroom so you can learn how to build wealth and make your money work